Welcome to Seamless Donations. My name is David Gewirtz, and this is a demo of the Giving Level Manager add-on. We are on the screen that you're probably most used to, which is the Giving Levels screen. And in the Giving Levels screen, as you know, you can turn on and off certain giving levels. So if we, for example, only wanted 4 giving levels, 5 through 50, we could save the giving levels and then preview them here on the sample page. But most people want to do a lot more, and we've had a lot of requests from people who'd like to add additional features, change the numbers, those sorts of things. And to that, we now have this thing called a Giving Level Manager, which I will activate. And so now when we come back into the form options screen, you can see that we now have this kind of unique interface. And let's do a few things with it. Let's reduce the number of items here, like we did before. And we've now got 5 through 50. And let's save that giving level. And let's come back here. And as you can see, we still once again have 5 through 50. One of the quick things that we can do is we can reorder these. So with the drag and drop interface, we can move it to 5, 10, 20, and 50. And then come down and save the giving level. And as you can see, we've got a quick reorder. If we want to turn off the other option, which some people have asked to do, come down here and exclude other field option from donation form, save the giving level, come back over here, hit refresh, and as you can see, the other option has been removed. Now let's say we want to do something like change our numbers to things that haven't been there before. So let's say we want to let somebody donate as little as $1 and as high as $2,500, and let's add in the middle, say 250, make this 1,000, and make this, let's just say for argument's sake, 100. We can do that. We can also give them names. So let's make this bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and sponsor, say. Come down here and save our giving levels. And as you can see here, we now have bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and sponsor. Now you can see that these aren't particularly styled. So in other words, the bronze is butting up against the radio buttons and so forth. That's because most people are going to go into their CSS and custom style it. But if you'd like a quick way to style this easily and make it look nice without a whole lot of effort, come on back over here, come down to the option which is level name styling and say use basic level name styling. And this will throw a nice little bold and colon after each of your styles. Now, one of the other things that the people have asked for is the ability to change how these things are formatted internally. And for that, I'm going to get geeky for just 1 second and go over to Inspect Element. And as you can see here, let's move this up a little bit so you can see what I'm inspecting. If I move here, these are the various giving levels. And as you can see, they are surrounded by a span tag as opposed to a div tag. And again, this is for HTML programmers who want to be able to change things. And I've had some requests for people who want this surrounded in a div, which among other things would remove the inline formatting that you see, where we're going from bronze to silver and so forth inline, and put them in vertical lines. So let's drop out of this. Well, actually, I'm going to leave that there for a sec. Come back over here, and I'm going to change the span with div tag. Come back over here, do a refresh, and you can see that this is now vertical, and that's because when we inspect the element, as you can see, these are now surrounded by div tags instead of span tags. Again, this is mostly a feature for CSS developers, but it also makes it easier to have these things arrayed vertically instead of horizontally. Now there's 2 more features that I want to show you in Giving Level Manager, and then we're done. The first feature is the repeating donation by default. Some people have asked to have repeating donation turned on by default, so we'll save giving levels. We'll come back here, and now you can see I would like this donation to automatically repeat each month is turned on by default. And the other thing is that some people have asked for a quick way to change the title up here that says donation information. So we will change this to support our cause as a donation header, and come down here and save giving levels. Come back over here, and now we have support our cause. So to take a very fast tour through the features that we've just looked at, the Giving Level Manager allows you to change your donation header. It allows you to create as many giving amounts as you want. I would recommend keeping it under 10, but it allows you to create giving amounts. It allows you to reorder those giving amounts. It allows you to label those giving amounts. It allows you to replace span with div tags for those who are doing CSS programming. It allows you to turn on basic name styling for those who don't want to do CSS programming, and it allows you to hide the other field and turn on repeat donation by default. And that is Giving Level Manager in a nutshell.